Are you tired of struggling financially? Would you like to unlock the secrets to building wealth? Let's dive into the world of tax-free debt strategies, a realm where debt is not a foe but an ally. It's a place where the daunting concept of debt transforms into a powerful tool, a catalyst for wealth creation. Imagine debt as a vehicle that could drive you to the pinnacle of financial success. But remember, not all vehicles are created equal. The real game changer is the tax-free debt, the luxury vehicle of the financial world that can take you on a smooth ride to wealth accumulation. So buckle up and prepare for a journey of financial enlightenment. We're about to delve into the mechanics of tax-free municipal bonds, real estate investments, and business investments. These are the gears that will propel your financial vehicle forward. Get ready to master the art of financial freedom. One powerful strategy is utilizing tax-free municipal bonds. Consider this: a bustling city needs to build a new school, a hospital, or maybe a bridge. To fund these projects, it issues municipal bonds. As an investor, you can buy these bonds, essentially lending money to the city. In return, you'll receive regular interest payments until the bond matures, at which point you get your original investment back. But here's the real gem. The interest you earn on these municipal bonds is often free from federal taxes and sometimes even state and local taxes. This is a game changer. It means you get to keep more of your hard-earned money rather than handing it over to the taxman. Now, you might be wondering, how reliable are these bonds? Well, municipal bonds are generally considered low-risk investments. Cities and towns have a vested interest in repaying their debts, as failing to do so could tarnish their reputation and hinder future fundraising efforts. So, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. By investing in tax-free municipal bonds, you're not just passively earning income. You're also playing a crucial role in community development. You're funding schools, hospitals, infrastructure, things that make our society better. It's a win-win situation. In the grand scheme of wealth building, tax-free municipal bonds can be one of the most straightforward and rewarding strategies. They offer a consistent income stream, with the added benefit of being tax-free. This allows you to keep more money in your pocket and increase your wealth over time. Another strategy is utilizing tax-free debt to fund real estate investments. Real estate, a tangible asset that has consistently proven its worth over time, offers an exciting avenue for wealth creation. Now, imagine coupling the potential of real estate with the power of tax-free debt. Think about it. You're essentially using someone else's money to fund your investments, and that too, without the burden of taxes. Here's how it works. You take out a tax-free loan to purchase a property. The rent you collect from this property can cover your loan repayments and even provide a steady stream of income. Over time, as the value of your property appreciates, you're not just earning from the rent, but you're also building equity. But that's not all. Real estate investments come with their own tax advantages. From deducting mortgage interest to depreciating property value for tax purposes, there are numerous ways to further reduce your tax liabilities. Moreover, there's the potential for diversification. By investing in different types of real estate, from residential properties to commercial spaces, you can spread risk and potentially increase returns. In essence, by using tax-free loans to fund real estate investments, you're leveraging other people's money to grow your own wealth. You're letting your money work for you, not the other way around. This method allows you to build substantial wealth while minimizing your tax liabilities. Now, isn't that a strategy worth exploring? Furthermore, consider using tax-free debt to invest in your own business. It's a strategy that can supercharge your journey towards financial independence. Imagine this. You've got a great business idea, or maybe you're already running a successful venture that's ripe for expansion, but there's a hurdle: capital. You need money to make money, right? Here's where tax-free debt comes into play. By leveraging tax-free loans, you're able to secure the much-needed capital to kickstart that new venture or scale your existing business, all while keeping your tax liabilities to a minimum. With the burden of hefty taxes off your shoulders, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business and increasing your wealth. Remember, every successful business out there, from the mom and pop store down the street to the multinational conglomerates, has used debt as a springboard to success. Tax-free loans provide you with the capital necessary to grow your business without the burden of exorbitant taxes. Imagine a life devoid of financial burdens. It's not just a dream, it's achievable through tax-free debt strategies. The magic of tax-free municipal bonds, the potential of real estate investments, and the growth from tax-free loans. These are practical strategies to start implementing now. Wealth is a marathon, needing patience, persistence, and decisive action. The world of investing is vast, and what we've discussed today is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. Together, let's achieve financial freedom.